Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by closing Edge so files aren't locked. This prevents conflicts when restoring. Next, enable hidden items in File Explorer because Edge stores data in an app data folder. Then, go to %local app data %Microsoft \edge user data \default and look for bookmarks and bookmarks. Back is your quick rollback option. If you use multiple profiles, check the Profile X folders instead. Each profile keeps its own bookmarks file, which explains why favorites might once you've backed up the current file by renaming it to bookmarks. Old, copy bookmarks. Back and rename the copy to bookmarks. That action replaces the damaged list with the previous snapshot. Then reopen Edge and verify your favorites bar and folders. If you prefer a safer route, export bookmarks from another profile or browser as HTML and use Edge settings profiles import browser data to bring them in. This avoids overriding profile data and preserves structure while fixing missing entries. To finish, sign back into your Edge profile and enable sync for favorites so future losses are prevented. Sync merges server copies and local data. If no bookmarks, back exists, try Windows File History, a system restore point, or recover from a OneDrive backup if you saved profile data. If bookmarks show but won't load, clear Edge cache and restart. Make sure no conflicting profile instances are running. If problems persist, export whatever you can and re-import into a clean profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.